Warm greetings, food enthusiasts around the globe. Today we embark on a culinary odyssey to the heart of the Middle East, to a place where food is an art, a culture, a celebration of life itself, Syria. Syrian food culture is as rich and diverse as its history, a melting pot of flavors influenced by a tapestry of civilizations that have left their mark over centuries. From the ancient Assyrians and Babylonians to the Greeks, Romans and Ottomans, each has contributed to the symphony of taste that Syrian cuisine is today. Fresh ingredients are the lifeblood of Syrian dishes, coupled with a generous use of aromatic spices that ignite the senses. Traditional cooking methods, handed down through generations, lend an authenticity that is as palpable as it is delicious. Now that we've stepped into the aromatic world of Syrian cuisine, it's time to explore some of its hallmark recipes. Embarking on this culinary journey, we first encounter a Syrian favorite, the kibbeh. This delightful dish, beloved across the Middle East, is a testament to the simplicity and elegance of Syrian cuisine. At its core, kibbeh is a blend of finely minced meat, usually lamb or beef, and bulgur wheat, seasoned to perfection with a medley of spices. Cumin, coriander, and mint often take center stage, lending their unique flavors to this hearty dish. The preparation of kibbeh is a careful process, a dance of flavors and textures. The meat and bulgur are mixed together, then shaped into small elongated footballs. These are then filled with a succulent mixture of sautéed onions, pine nuts, and more minced meat, before being deep-fried to a golden brown. The result? A crispy exterior that gives way to a soft, flavorful interior, a true symphony of tastes in each bite. But Syrian cuisine doesn't stop there. Let's turn our attention to another star of the Syrian table, fateh. This layered masterpiece is a testament to the Syrians' love for combining textures and flavors. At the base of fateh lies a layer of crispy, toasted bread, followed by a generous serving of boiled chickpeas. This is then topped with a velvety layer of tangy yogurt seasoned with garlic and tahini. To finish off, a drizzle of hot melted butter mixed with pine nuts and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Each spoonful of fateh is a delightful surprise. The crunch of the bread balancing the creaminess of the yogurt, the chickpeas adding a heartiness that is simply irresistible. These dishes are a testament to the culinary genius of the Syrians, a people who know how to transform simple ingredients into meals that are hearty, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. But wait, there's more to this flavorful journey. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the wonders of Syrian cuisine, a world where every dish tells a story and every bite takes you on a journey. Continuing our culinary expedition, we stumble upon the delectable shawarma. This scrumptious dish is a testament to the Syrian art of cooking, with its layers of succulent meat marinated in an array of aromatic spices. The meat, often lamb or chicken, is stacked onto a vertical spit and slow roasted to perfection. The tender slices are then served in a warm pita with a medley of fresh vegetables and tangy sauces. This dish has traveled far and wide, becoming a global phenomenon and a favorite street food worldwide. But the Syrian kitchen isn't all about savory delights. Let's not forget the sweet baklava, a pastry that marries the crunch of chopped nuts and the sweetness of syrup or honey. Sandwiched between thin, crispy layers of phyllo pastry, every bite is an indulgence. These dishes, while being mouth-wateringly delicious, also tell stories of the Syrian heritage and tradition. Our journey through the Syrian culinary world has been a delightful one, hasn't it? We've journeyed through the depths of Syria's rich food culture, tasting the famous recipes that make this cuisine so unique. We've experienced the unrivaled flavors of dishes like shawarma, falafel, and kibbeh, each one a testament to the country's culinary prowess. We've also delved into the lesser-known delights that Syria has to offer, uncovering the hidden gems of this food paradise. The Syrian table is a reflection of the country's rich cultural heritage, a blend of influences from the Mediterranean, Middle East, and beyond. Each dish tells a story, a narrative of tradition, history, and love for good food. Syrian cuisine is not just about food, it's a way of life, an expression of its people's soul. It's a culinary journey that's as diverse and vibrant as the country itself. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey through Syrian cuisine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Foods Around the Globe. Until next time, keep the culinary explorer in you alive.